I can blow it out of the sky.
Did you ever see that stuff about how plane machine guns work with the propeller? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
That stuff's cool.
The guy down there.
I really can't see. And also, we're on the edge of the circle, Ryan. You're gonna need to move closer to. I'm getting hit.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Ryan, the plane is like upside down in my camera.
Yeah, it was upside down. I was in control.
Yeah, I believe you.
What?
There's a guy right there.
Oh, run over. Oh my god, this is unfair. It's pretty
There's
scary.
only 10 left.
Oh, we run out of fuel eventually, don't we?
Yeah, but I filled it up before we got off.
That's crazy. And Ryan's doing some sick maneuvers.
Nice, that's 8.
Wait, oh, there they are.
Hi, Chiefs. He's dead. Oh, there are the people. Did you get them both? In the air.
Yeah, we did.
I got one. Somehow.
That's how you say it.
I don't see him.
No, we killed
Plane seems so unfair.
I don't see the last people left.
We're not
Oh,
Oh, we're here. There.
Whoa! Off to see the wizard. God, Ryan's doing some nonsense on this one. This guy's hiding behind rocks, like what's he gonna do? Fall straight down the top.
Do a barrel roll.
he's in the
God, why can't I hit him?
Why are you using the shotgun, Chris?
I'm out of all other ammo. So. Well, I have one assault rifle ammo left, and I thought I would save it
Did
for
we get him?
a special.
No.
I just have to one skill.
Got him.
Ooh. God. I used too much assault rifle ammo earlier. Oh god.
There's one more person. Keep an eye out.
Yep, we're just slowly.
Oh,
Oh, there he is.
Oh yes, my one assault rifle shot hit him.
Yes, I think I got it.
Yeah. Crazy. Planes are crazy.
going down.
That was awesome.
Got a lot of kills, Ryan.